Do you want to know how to network effectively and build meaningful business or professional relationships? Are you looking for practical strategies to expand your professional network and create valuable connections? Know someone who needs to improve their networking skills? Share this video with them. Hello there. Welcome back to Uncommon Reality. My name is Dr. MD Ahmed. And if you are new here, make sure to subscribe and hit that bell icon so you don't miss out on our insights on success, peak performance, and personal mastery. In today's video, we will unlock the secrets to networking like a pro. You will discover practical strategies to build genuine relationships, leverage networking events, and utilize social media effectively. Plus, I will guide you through an engaging creative visualization exercise called the Networking Dynamo to help you supercharge your networking efforts and connect with influential people. Let's begin. The scripture says, as iron sharpens iron, so one person sharpens another. This verse beautifully illustrates the importance of building strong, mutually beneficial relationships that enhance growth and success. In our previous video, we tackled how to beat procrastination and take action. Today, we are focusing on networking like a pro, how to build valuable business relationships that will propel your career or business to new heights. Let's start with strategy number one. Build genuine relationships. Building authentic connections is the foundation of successful networking. Here's how to approach it. Be authentic. Focus on creating genuine connections rather than just trying to advance your own interests. Show real interest in the people you meet. Listen effectively. Engage in conversations by asking thoughtful questions and truly listening to the responses. People value being heard. Here is a power tip. Remember names and follow up with personalized messages after meeting someone. This strengthens the connection and shows you care. Don't start your message with hello sir / madam. Personalize it. Use their name. Now, let's move on to strategy number two. Leverage networking events. Networking events provide excellent opportunities to connect with industry professionals and peers. Here's how to make the most of them. Prepare your elevator pitch. Have a concise, engaging introduction about yourself and your business ready. Make it clear and memorable. And if you want me to create a video on how to prepare the best ever elevator pitch, let me know in the comment section. And to leverage networking events, be engaged, actively participate in discussions, ask questions, and show genuine enthusiasm for what others are saying. Here is a power tip. Follow up with new contacts within 24 to 48 hours of meeting them to solidify the relationship. Send a personalized message or set up a follow-up call. Let's look at strategy number three. And after that comes the powerful creative visualization technique, the networking dynamo. It programs your mind for success. Don't miss it. Strategy number three is utilize social media. In today's digital world, social media is an essential tool for networking. Use it strategically to expand your connections. Engage on professional platforms. Use LinkedIn and other professional platforms to connect with industry peers. Join relevant groups and participate in discussions. Don't just remain passive there. Be active, be consistent. Regularly update your profile, share valuable content, and engage with others' posts to stay visible and relevant in your network. Here is a power tip. Join industry specific forums and online groups to meet new contacts and expand your reach beyond in person events. Now get ready to practice the creative visualization technique, the networking dynamo, to reinforce the power of networking. Do this in a safe place. Do not operate machinery or drive while doing this exercise. Close your eyes and imagine yourself attending a networking event. Picture yourself confidently engaging in meaningful conversations with influential people. Visualize these interactions leading to valuable business relationships, collaborations, and opportunities. Feel the excitement and positive energy of expanding your professional network and how these connections contribute to your success. Hold on to that feeling as you go into future networking opportunities, knowing that you are capable of building strong, lasting connections. Feel that feeling and repeat these affirmations after me. I build valuable and meaningful relationships effortlessly. I connect with the right people who help me grow. Networking opens doors to incredible opportunities for me. Open your eyes just as soon as you can. Remember, building genuine relationships, leveraging networking events, and utilizing social media are key strategies for networking like a pro. The strength of your network can significantly impact your success. Make sure to subscribe, like this video, and leave a comment below if you found these tips helpful. Make sure to enroll into my HATS program to handle your negative emotions. Also, I am launching Meditation X and Foundation X programs based on alternative education to help you realize your wildest dreams. Keep building those valuable relationships and watch your network and your success grow. I will see you in the next video. Until then, take charge.